Nice.
Wow, that felt great.
Yeah. Now let it go right your back, all the way. There. Beautiful. There's 1, 2, 3. Nice. Now turn this way for me. Take another breath. Here's the first one. Just going to shift this rib back a little more. Nice breath in, relax. I mean, come on, what else are you going to do? All right, so for the folks at home, is it worth getting ABC versus traditional chiropractic care?
100%.
Recommend all the folks out there suffering with whatever they got to call us?
I recommend it all. Whatever you have going on, come and see this man. He's going to break it down and let you know what's going on and fix you up.